Number 1. Feel homesick. It means to miss home and feel sad while away from it.
She feels homesick at the boarding school. She feels homesick at the boarding school. Many students feel homesick during their first semester. Many students feel homesick during their first semester. He feels homesick whenever he travels for work. He feels homesick whenever he travels for work.
Number 2. Feel a pain. It means to experience a physical discomfort or hurt.
He felt a pain in his back this morning. He felt a pain in his back this morning. She felt a sharp pain in her knee. She felt a sharp pain in her knee. If you feel a pain, see a doctor. If you feel a pain, see a doctor.
Number 3. Feel strongly. It means to have a deep conviction or strong emotions about something.
She feels strongly about animal rights. She feels strongly about animal rights. They feel strongly that the law should change. They feel strongly that the law should change. I feel strongly about recycling and conservation. I feel strongly about recycling and conservation.
Number 4. Life feels empty. It means to feel like life lacks meaning or joy.
Sometimes, life feels empty without close friends. Sometimes, life feels empty without close friends. After retiring, his life feels empty. After retiring, his life feels empty. Her life feels empty without creative work. Her life feels empty without creative work.
Number 5. Fight crime. It means to take action to reduce or stop criminal activities.
Police work to fight crime in the city. Police work to fight crime in the city. Community programs can help fight crime effectively. Community programs can help fight crime effectively. We must all do our part to fight crime. We must all do our part to fight crime.